night. We're going to a supermarket now, so I'm not going to take my camera with me. Happy International Women's Day! get back to Germany, but the world has to stay home. And it just sucks because look outside, it's just beautiful weather. It's sunny and everything. And we have to stay home as much as possible. And as I don't have anything to do, I am staying home. I can't even meet my friends, and I'm in my hometown at my parents' house right now. And I don't really see my friends from here that often, and now with the virus I really can't meet them because yeah, I don't want to get infected and stuff, or infect people, I don't know. But this March is so boring. Quarantine is boring, but at least I find things to do. I just learned some TikTok dances and now I'm going to have lunch with my sister in the living room. So this first week is starting very differently, and today is the first day, and I would have 2 classes today if things were normal, but things are not normal, and we don't have, in these 2 classes, we don't have live streams or like synchron online classes. They just upload videos and material and stuff, and we have to do that on our own. So now I'm gonna look at the things from the first class I would have today, which is translation, Spanish and German. At this time right now, there would be my normal class, so it's the time of the class. I'm just gonna do that. She uploaded 3 videos, I'm gonna look at them, and if in this video she says something about doing something, I will have to do that then. And afterwards I have another class. I have to look at the material from the other class. Yeah, it's so weird. And then when I have done all that, I don't have anything to do anymore, so I'm going to paint, I think. So today I didn't have online classes. I would have had a online live stream class, Portuguese class, but I don't have it because the teacher is ill, so I don't have anything from uni today. But I'm going to do my homework because yesterday my one teacher gave us homework, so I have 1 week. I have 1 week, but I think if I do it now, I don't have to do it the other days. And tomorrow I have another online class. But now I'm just going to do a YouTube video for you. I'm going to do a room tour now. So yes, that's what I'm going to do now. And then I'm going to do the homework, and that's my plan for now.